friends, welcome back to our beginner crochet series. Today we are learning the half double crochet stitch, also known as HDC. It's a little taller than as the single crochet, but still super beginner friendly, and it works up faster too. I'm using a size 4mm hook and a lightweight yarn, and just like before we are starting with a foundation chain. About 10 to 15 chains is perfect for the practice. Unlikely single crochet, you are going to yarn over first before insert your hook. So yarn over. Now insert your hook into the third chain from the hook. Not the first, not the second, but the third. This gives your stitch a little height. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over one more time and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Congrats! That's one half double crochet stitch. Repeat again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again, and pull through all 3 loops. Now continue till the end. When you reach the end of your row, chain 2, turn your work and start your next row using the same steps. There you go, you've just learned the half double crochet. It's a great stitch for blankets, hats, and it gives a nice soft texture. Like the video if it helped, subscribe for the next lesson, and I'll see you there.